Class 9. Now let us continue the next part of Act 1, Scene 1. In the previous video, we had finished Salarino's part. Now let us continue Antonio's part. Antonio, believe me, no. I thank my fortune for it. Believe me, it is not true. No means it is not true. I thank my fortune for it. I thank my good fortune for it. Because my ventures, my business, not in one bottom trusted. Bottom trusted venture means business, bottom means ship. My venture, my business is not dependent on one ship or in one bottom trusted on one ship. My business is not dependent on one ship, nor to one place, nor on any single location, as my ships have not gone to one location only, to one place only. They have gone to different directions. Nor is my whole state upon the fortune of this present year. Nor does my financial position, my present position, depend on the commercial enterprises or the profit of the current year only. Therefore, my merchandise makes me not sad. Therefore, it is not my loaded ships. Merchandise, loaded ships. Ships that make me sad. Therefore, it is not my loaded ships that make me sad. Salarino, why then you are in love? Okay, you are sad. You are not sad, as you are saying, because of your business, because of your ships. Okay, then are you in love? Then you must be in love. Antonio, 5 means what nonsense, what shame it is. Salarino, not in love neither. Oh, not in love either. Then let us say you are sad. Then we must say that you are sad because you are not merry. You are not merry means you are not happy. And it were as easy for you to laugh and leap and say you are merry. It would be easy for you to laugh and jump about and say that you are happy because you are not sad. Means they concluded that he is not sad because of his business. Then he is sad because of he is in love. If love is not the reason, then they say that you are happy because you are not sad, or you are sad because you are not happy. Now by two-headed Janus. Two-headed Janus. Janus means two-headed Roman god. Janus is Roman god. Nature two-headed. The god, Roman god, who has two heads. Nature hath framed strange fellows in her time. I say, Salarino is saying, I say that nature has created some strange men. Some strange men. Okay, in her time. Usually, some that will evermore peep through their eyes. There are some people, some of them, look out through their half eye. The peering, they peer half closed eye when they laugh. Then some people are so happy that they close their eyes. Children, listen again. Some that will evermore peep through their eyes and laugh like parrots at a bagpiper, means that nature has created very strange fellow. Some of the people look out through their eyes half closed. Why eyes half closed? Because when they laugh, they make their eyes closed. or they keep their eyes closed with laughter and laugh foolishly like parrots if they hear even the sound of a bagpipe. And other of such vinegar aspect. Vinegar aspect means sour expression, very ill-tempered people, very hot-tempered people. So there are other men with such gloomy faces, with such gloomy faces, with some vinegar aspect, with some ill-tempered nature, and other of such vinegar aspect that they will not show their teeth in way of smile. They don't even smile, they don't even laugh, even though Nestor was an old and wise Greek general. Who is Nestor? Try to understand, children. Nestor was an old and wise Greek general who fought in the Trojan War. And a joke, the people crack jokes, no? The joke had to be extremely funny if Nestor laughed at it. If Nestor laughed on any joke, it means the joke is really funny, though the Nestor swear the jest be laughable. So there are such ill-tempered people also. They will not smile at anything, even if the grave Nestor swears or says that the joke is really most amusing. Salanio. Here comes Bassanio. Now who is coming? Bassanio. Your most noble kinsman. Kinsman means friend. Your most noble best friend, whom you can say best. Gratiano and fare ye well. Fare ye well means Gratiano and Lorenzo, fare you well. Goodbye. We leave you now with your better company. We leave you. Okay. We shall now leave you in your better company. Better company means who are coming? Who are coming? Bassanio is coming, Gratiano is coming, and Lorenzo is coming. Now who have to go? Salarino and Solanio. So they are saying that now we are leaving, and we are leaving you in your better company. Better company of Bassanio, Gratiano, and Salarino. I would have stayed till I had made you merry, if worthier friends had not prevented me. Worthier friends, again the friends like Gratiano, Lorenzo and Bassanio. So Salarino is saying, I would have stayed here with you. I would have stayed here with you till I could make you happy. But the arrival of your worthier friends had prevented me from doing so. Means if the arrival of your worthy friends had not prevented me from doing so. Antonio, your worth is very dear in my regard. I have great regards for you. I have great respect for you. I take it means I think that it is your business calls on you. It is your business which takes you away from us. Okay, so that is why you make use of this opportunity to leave, and you embrace the occasion to depart. That's why you are taking advantage of this opportunity to leave. Then enter Bassanio, Lorenzo and Gratiano. Salarino, good morrow, good morning. My good lords, my good friends. Bassanio, good signors both. Good signors both means gentlemen. Good gentlemen. When shall we laugh? Say when. When shall we laugh means when both of you tell us that when shall we meet again? When shall we meet and laugh and enjoy? You grow exceeding strange. Must it be so? We're saying this, Bassanio. You grow exceeding strange. You have become like strangers. Bassanio is saying to both Salanio and Salanino that both of you have become like strangers. Okay, must it be so? Is it necessary to be so? Then Exine, Salarino and Salanio. Then Exine means they went away. Salarino and Salanio departed. Lorenzo. Lorenzo, my Lord Bassanio, since you have found Antonio. My Lord Bassanio, since you have found Antonio. We too will leave you, but at dinner time. Okay, what is saying? Since we shall, you have found your best friend, Lorenzo is saying to Bassanio, now you have found your best friend, so we are also leaving you with your best friend Antonio, and we too will take your leave. But I request you to remember, I pray you have in mind where we must meet at dinner time. But I request you to remember the place where we should meet again at dinner time. Bassanio, I will not fail you. I will not fail you. I will not disappoint you. I will not fail to be there. It means I will certainly be there. Graciano, you look